Hello students, in this video we will discuss one question, Vaishnavit literature. This question seems to be very important this year for the students of Seva, social science history part. It is important. It is important for every year, and we must know about Shankardev. Then the question is, write a note on the Vaishnavit literature of Assam. Vaishnavit literature. We have discussed several literatures in Assamese literature. One question I have posted on, uploaded on YouTube. But in that question also one paragraph is about this Vaishnavit literature. Then this is one separate question, a note on Vaishnavit literature, very important for this year. Then Vaishnavit literature. You see, Shankardev started Vaishnavit movement in Assam, and the motive behind this movement was to create a cultural unification of this region, and he was successful. Then to propagate Vaishnavism in Assam, he uh, uh, created literature. Vaishnavite movement was a religious movement, but it enriched Assamese literature a lot. And not only Shankardev, Madhavdev was the best disciple of Shankardev. Madhavdev was the best disciple of Shankardev. He also did the same. Both of them enriched Assamese literature. Then both of them wrote poetry, songs, dramas, plays, stories, and through these forms of literature, they wanted to spread Vaishnavism in this region, and they were successful. Uh, the subject matter of these literary pieces are the Ramayana, the Mahabharata, the Puranas, and the theories of Hinduism based on this is what about Vaishnavit literature is about: Mahabharata, Ramayana, Puran, and theories of Hinduism. This way he wrote. Then Shankardev wrote 36 Borgit. Borgit means devotional song. धार्मिक गीत उन्होंने लिखे. एंड ही ऑल्सो रोट अंकिया नाट्स मीन्स शॉर्ट ड्रामा. एकांकी भी हो सकता है, उन्होंने लिखा. एंड सम ऑफ हिज ड्रामाज आर पत्नी प्रसाद, कालिया दमन, केली गोपाल, रुक्मिणी हरण, पारिजात हरण, राम विजय. These are the important dramas of Srimant Shankardev. And Chinha Yatra is his first drama. Chinha Yatra is his first drama. It was written and played by him. And most important thing about this Chinha Yatra, very important. Maybe the most important thing about Chinha Yatra is it was his first drama. He wrote, he played. And that time Shakespeare was nowhere in the world. Shakespeare, Shankardev was born, you see, in 1449. And Vasco da Gama came to India in 1498 perhaps. I am not sure. And Shankardev was born in 1449. He died in 1568. Shakespeare was born in 1564. When Shankardev was of about 116 years old, Shakespeare was born. You see, Shakespeare was a child before Srimant Shankardev. Then Madhavdev wrote 36 Borgit. No, he wrote, sorry, Madhav Dev wrote 157 Borgit, and he wrote Nam Ghosha, and Shankar Dev wrote Kirtan Ghosha. These are the books. Shankar Dev wrote Kirtan Ghosha, Madhav Dev wrote Nam Ghosha. This should be remembered, very important books. And next is Madhav Dev wrote 157 Borgit, Shankar Dev wrote 36 Borgit, devotional song. Borgit means devotional song. And he also wrote, Madhav Dev also wrote Sordhara, Pimpara and Goshova. And one most important thing is that textile design of Shankar Dev is a magnificent creation of Assamese weaver. And his, you see, his, it is called Brindabani Bastra, and it is still preserved in the museum, British Museum, England. Very important. I think you will remember it, you will understand it. Very simple language, slow motion video. थैंक यू. आप इसको याद करें, आप इसको पढ़ें, और हम यही सोचते हैं कि आप इसको याद कर लें, इसको लिख लें. स्लो मोशन है, आप धीरे धीरे लिख भी सकते हैं, बहुत सारा इन्फॉर्मेशन है. थैंक यू. हैव ए नाइस टाइम.